Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about 7 beautiful flowers that bloom all summer long. These flowers are not only gorgeous, but they're also easy to grow, low maintenance, and perfect for senior gardeners. Some of them can thrive in pots. Others will happily grow in small garden beds. And best of all, once they start blooming, many of them will keep producing flowers for months with very little effort. So if you'd love a garden that stays colorful from early summer all the way to fall, stay with me because these flowers might be exactly what you've been looking for. Let's start with our first summer superstar. Number 1. Zinnias. These bright flowers come in almost every color you can imagine: red, pink, orange, yellow, white, and even purple. And seniors love them because they're easy to grow. Zinnias grow quickly from seeds, and once they begin blooming, they can keep producing flowers all summer long. They also love sunshine, which makes them perfect for warm summer gardens. Another wonderful thing about zinnias is that they attract butterflies. That means your garden doesn't just become colorful, it becomes alive with movement and beauty. If you snip off the old flowers, the plant will produce even more blooms. More flowers, less effort. That's exactly the kind of gardening we like. Number 2. Petunias. Petunias are one of the most popular garden flowers in the world, and for a very good reason. Once they start blooming, they simply don't want to stop. Petunias grow beautifully in garden beds, hanging baskets, window boxes, patio containers. So even if you only have a small balcony or a few pots outside your door, petunias can still give you a vibrant summer garden. They produce waves of trumpet-shaped flowers that spill over containers and create a soft, colorful look. Petunias love sunlight and regular watering. If the plant begins looking tired mid-summer, a light trim can encourage fresh growth and new blooms. Many gardeners say petunias are like the workhorses of summer flowers. They just keep going. Number 3. Marigolds. If you're looking for flowers that are almost impossible to mess up, marigolds are a fantastic choice. These golden orange beauties are extremely hardy. They handle heat well, tolerate dry spells, and bloom continuously through the summer. But marigolds have another secret advantage. They can help protect your garden from pests. Many gardeners plant marigolds near vegetables because their scent naturally discourages certain insects. So not only are they beautiful, they can also help your garden stay healthier. Marigolds grow well from seeds and need very little attention once established. Just give them sunshine and occasional watering. Number 4. Geraniums. Geraniums have been a favorite in gardens for generations, and many seniors already recognize their charming clusters of flowers. These plants are famous for their long-lasting blooms and strong resilience. Geraniums thrive in containers, making them ideal for gardeners who prefer less bending and kneeling. You can place them on patio tables, window ledges, raised garden beds. Their colors, usually red, pink, white, or coral, bring a classic, cheerful feeling to any space. Geraniums prefer slightly dry soil rather than overly wet soil, so they're very forgiving if you occasionally forget to water. And that's something many gardeners appreciate. Number 5. Coneflowers. Coneflowers, also known as echinacea, are a wonderful addition to any summer garden. These flowers are known for their daisy-like petals and raised centers, which give them a unique and elegant look. But what makes coneflowers truly special is how tough they are. They tolerate heat, drought, and poor soil conditions much better than many other flowers. Once established, they require very little care. Coneflowers also attract bees, butterflies, and even birds, turning your garden into a peaceful wildlife haven. Imagine sitting outside with a cup of tea while butterflies drift through your garden. That's one of the small joys gardening can bring. Number 6. Begonias. Not every garden gets full sunshine all day, and that's where begonias shine. Begonias are wonderful flowers for partial shade or full shade areas. They bloom steadily throughout the summer and are perfect for porch containers, shaded patios, under trees. Their soft, waxy leaves and bright blooms create a gentle and relaxing look. For seniors who prefer low-effort gardening, begonias are a great option. They don't demand constant care and can still reward you with beautiful flowers for months. Begonias prefer slightly moist soil and indirect sunlight. Number 7. Black-eyed Susans. These bright yellow flowers with dark centers look like tiny suns scattered throughout the garden. They are incredibly hardy and can thrive even in tough conditions. Once they start blooming, they often continue well into late summer and early fall. Black-eyed Susans are also excellent for attracting pollinators like butterflies and bees. They bring movement, life, and energy into your garden. And perhaps most importantly, they remind us that nature doesn't need perfection to be beautiful. Many seniors say gardening helps them feel calmer, happier, and more connected to nature. And the truth is, your garden doesn't have to be large to bring you joy. Even a few flowers in a couple of pots can brighten your day. So today we talked about 7 beautiful flowers that can bloom all summer long. All of them are colorful, reliable, and beginner-friendly, making them perfect choices for senior gardeners. If you're just starting your gardening journey, try planting 1 or 2 of these flowers and see how they transform your space. You might be surprised how quickly your garden becomes a place you look forward to visiting every day. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, gardening isn't about working harder, it's about growing smarter and enjoying every bloom along the way.